Hi, this is Tommy Hall with MathNook.com, and I'm here to give a quick overview on how to play our order, the order of operation version of Math Boxing. If you're not familiar with MathNook, we have lots of free math games to play, as well as fun games and math teaching tools, and everything's all free to play and use without any membership or sign up required. Okay, let's take a look at the game. Now, when you first start, this is the menu you'll see. If you click this button here, the video button, this will take you to the page on MathNook that has this video in case you'd like to see it again. The More Games button will take you to LOF Games, LOF standing for Lots of Fun. It'll take you to that site. They have, they're also have lots of free math games and puzzle and fun games to play, and there's also never any membership or sign up required, and everything's free to play. The instructions, you can go here and in case you want to see the instructions, the only thing to notice here, in case you need a little help, it says when weighing in, PEMDAS is your friend, and I'll show you what I mean in just a second. Let's go ahead and click play. And now the player weigh-in, and this is really an opportunity for a player to get extra points starting out in the game. So if you fill in this statement correctly, the PEMDAS statement, then you'll get the full 10 points. If you make any errors, every time you make an error, it will a point will be subtracted. So you've got all the time you need, so you can take your time on this, but I'll show you how it works. And we know that parentheses goes first, then exponents, division. Now, I didn't hit that spot right, and you notice a point was taken, but I wasn't. Oh, I'm sorry, I wasn't thinking PEM. Now, actually, and that brings up another subject. You could actually have these reversed, but because everybody knows the PEMDAS statement, I went ahead and forced it to be in this order. And it's not really that big of a deal, but anyway, so what I want to show you is, I'm going to go ahead and put subtraction there. I'm going to reduce the score down to 2, and I'll show you what happens when it hits 2. And here we go. Now you notice you get a hint there, so that will help me to figure out that I need the addition there and subtraction. And you see the PEMDAS acronym, the letters where they're highlighted in green. It spells PEMDAS, and there you go. And I got 2 points on the way in, and as I start the game, I'll actually have 2 points. I've already got 2 points there, so that kind of helps me get a little bit higher score. It's a little bit fun thing to do in this order of operation game. So the object is, before time runs out, is to answer this question. And so what I'll do is go ahead and click that answer. You have 30 seconds starting out. And if that's not enough time, that's okay. You'll lose a glove when you run out of time or get an incorrect answer. But you can see you've got plenty of gloves here before the game ends, so you can it's not a big deal if your time runs out. But we've tried to allow enough time that we think it'll be good enough. Now, as you play and you get more and more answers, as you get an answer correct, you'll have a little bit less time up here on the timer every round. So you won't notice it at first, but say you get 5 or 10 correct answers in, instead of having 30 seconds, you may have 29 seconds, and it goes down to, I believe, about 10 seconds. So you've got to, by the time you get up there, you got to be pretty good. Anyways, this is how you play. And if you see, ran out of time and the punching bag hits your player character, and if you get it incorrect, so this would be 2017, but if I choose the wrong answer, he also gets hit. The punching bag hits back and you lose a glove, and I'll show you that again. And you still have the same problem. You've got to get the correct answer, and you saw that he gets hit. You can tell he gets hit right there, and I lost a glove. That flashes. And then I still have to get the right answer, and when I get the right answer, he kicks the punching bag, or he punches it, depending on what the random number is in that game. So anyways, moving right along, you can see the problems are somewhat varied. That was similar to the next one, but So you have subtraction, multiplication, addition, division, and you'll have the different formats, and you'll need to know the order of operations, of course, which is obviously the game to play. And anyways, the only thing I didn't show is this is a standard music. You toggle the music on and off, and you if you turn, that would toggle the sound on and off. So as it stands now, you wouldn't hear any sound at all. Whereas in this configuration, you would hear sound, no music, and there you get sound and music. So that takes me back to the main menu. That's how you play the game. I hope this video has helped some. I hope you have fun playing the game, and thanks for watching.